Number 1, ship. Look at that big ship in the ocean. Ship. Number 2, shop. I like to grocery shop on Sundays. Shop. Number 3, shed. My dog Dempsey sure does shed his fur a lot. Shed. Number 4, shot. We watched that video where the penguin shot out of the water. Shot. Number 5, shut. Please shut the door. It's cold out. Shut. Number 6, hush. I tell my children to hush when the baby is trying to sleep. Hush. Number 7, dish. Please put your dish in the sink when you are done eating. Dish. Number 8, brush. You should brush your teeth every morning and every night. Brush. Number 9, cash. I put my cash in my wallet. Cash. And number 10, wash. Please wash your hands when you come home. Wash. Okay, let's double check all the words and make sure we spell them the best we could. 1, ship. 2, shop. 3, shed. 4, shot. 5, shut. 6, hush. 7, dish. 8, brush. 9, cash. And 10, wash.